Greetings to all. I am Dr. Ashok Kumar Katta, Department MBA Vistas, Program MBA, Subject Operations Management, Semester 2. Today, the topic for the presentation is on Scope of PPC. Scope of PPC. PPC means Production, Planning and Control. Success of each and every business organization which depends on the contribution of each and every department at the organization. Inventory department, they need to get materials, they need to store it safely whenever whatever the department is requested, they should be in a position to deliver to them safely time being. Marketing department, they need to have proper sales promotions, collecting feedback from the customers, necessary information you need to forward for the top level management. Relatively, they will do changes in design, quality, related, any other changes will be definitely done by the company. Now, here I would like to come and talk on production department. Each and every activity, there will be a boundaries. Here also, in the production department, we'll have certain boundaries. Within this scope, they will be perform their regular activities. PPC is under materials, manpower methods, machines and equipment, routing, estimating, loading and scheduling, dispatching, expediting, inspection, evaluation, cost control. Now, first we'll see and talk about first scope point, materials. Success of each and every organization depending on a qualitative product. A qualitative product will be coming from a quality of materials. Right material, right quality, right quantity, right price, it has to maintain by material management department. Here they will following about inventory control methods. Depending on production, depending on the strategy of the management, they will follow ABC method, EOQ method, FIFO, LIFO, various controlling methods, material dispatching methods will be followed by the companies. The regular supply of material should be guaranteed given by material department. Next one, manpower. We know manpower is one of the important resources at the organization. The manpower will be working each and every department at the organization. Depending on the department, they will be selecting a right staff by requisite certain skills and expertises. When we focus about manpower should be required in production department to monitoring about the machine's performance. Sometimes machines and humans together they need to work for manufacturing of the product. So manpower also to be under production and operation department important resource. Method. The method is to determine the best sequence of operations. Here each and every organization they don't have a full pledge of materials. By available material they will be manufacturing of their product. Here the important tools, jigs, whatever plans they have, relatively they will be implementing of the production. Machine and equipment. Here the machines is basically depending on the method what you are following at your layout. Once you are arranging a layout based on time, based on product, then definitely that will be give a qualitative results. All the time the plant arrangement is important concept for speedily manufacturing of the product. Better utilization of the plant is also to be required for effective utilization. When one machine to another machine, when you keep such a long distance, definitely it will take more time for manufacturing. Sometimes it may delay also by transferring it. All these are unnecessary losses for the organizations. So they will be arranging machines and equipment in proper routing order. Here the routing function, what work we have done, what is the pending work we supposed to do, when it is supposed to be performed, what kind of additional things we supposed to do for development of production department. The entire pre-planned structure which is given with the help of by the routing. So without routing, a starting function will not be start. Estimating. Estimating of the speed of machines, speed of work, speed of the employees caliber capacity. When you are having a proper assumption about your machines and labor, relatively you will able to get by the orders. I know very well about the machine capacity per day. It can be produced 1200 to 1500. When I came to know about the particular calculation, then definitely I will be relatively getting orders from anybody else. Because I know very well about the standard of machines, machine depth, machine speed. We need to use up special attachments, special methods to knowing about by the an accurate estimations. Loading and scheduling, which is all the time focusing on production requirements. Machine loading is generate all the time an information about to your work standard. What kind of allowances you are providing for the employees. How many hours the machine can be work. What is the capacity of the machine will be comes under the heading of scheduling. Whenever the employees are entering into the organization in the production department, proper work schedule was allotted to them. Relatively, there is no need any kind of other guidance for those employees. Directly, they will be participating in all the activities more effectively because that is their regular work, so that the zero defects manufacturing product can be expecting with their hands. Employees also, they know very well about how these machines are working, what kind of problems are expecting to face. Relatively, as per their experience, they will manufacturing of the all the products. Dispatching. After getting orders from the concerned department, we will deliver the product. We will dispatch it from warehouse to the ultimate customers. Here, in what route we are going to dispatching the product, the entire layout or the route map will be distributing to the each and every receiver or the customer. Relatively, they will be calculating the expected date of receiving of the product. So, dispatching system also to be very clear. Now, we will also find out with the help of Amazon app. The moment you reserve your product, they will send you a message, the expected date of delivery, and you will be come to knowing about each and every day what is the status of your product. These are all helpful for receiving your product without any kind of disturbances. Expediting. It is like a feedback or the necessary follow-up about to the dispatched product. If in case, being a customer, if you find any kind of difficulties to receive the product, you can directly inform to the higher ups or the concerned telecalling members. They will take by the necessary actions on that. Inspection. Inspections are they need to conduct it frequently so that the improvement will be taking place at the organization. Inspections, we should not take it as adverse, negative. These people are all the time to find out fault on us. You need to take it as a positive. When more inspections are taking place, relatively your achievements will be high, your standards also to be increasing like anything. Evaluating. Once inspection got over or after getting the feedback about the machines and other aspects, people are giving the evaluation sheet about your method, about your facilities, about your future course of action. Then relatively you need to improve upon all these things. Cost control. We all know cost is one of the prime element for necessary development of the institution. The value analysis tool, cost control, many other methods we are following for how to minimize by the cost reduction, how to increase the efficiency of the organization in furthermore levels. Thank you.